Okay, so now let's start. Okay.
Cool.
Do you know what is measurement? Who will tell me? Yes, Krishna.
Ma'am, measurement is anything that we use to measure the length, the weight, or the capacity, or the volume. Capacity means volume of an object.
Okay. First, we will do measurement of length. Okay. Length means how long it is. Length means how long it is. Okay. So there are many methods to measure something. For example, handspan. Have you ever used handspan? Okay. Okay. Do like this. Measure your face. Measure. Do like this first. Yeah. Measure your face. It is of one handspan or less than one handspan. One handspan or less than one handspan. Yes, Ruhi. According to you?
Actually, this is a little bigger.
Do like this with your little finger and thumb. Measure, yeah, with thumb and little finger. Yeah. It is one handspan or more than that?
More than.
More than. What about you, Krishna?
Ma'am, the handspan is equal to my face.
Okay. Another example, can you see the box? Okay, it's blurred. Right. Now are you able to see that?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
the box. And if I measure with my handspan, so I'll measure like that. 1 and less than 1. Okay. So it's like 1.5. Can you measure anything around you with your handspan? Yeah, measure it. 1. Okay, Ruhi, it's less than your less than 1 handspan. Krishna, you can do more. Do like this. 1, 1, 2, like this. Govind, are you measuring anything? Try to measure with your handspan. Okay. Chavi, it's your 1. Okay. Bishika, what about you? Yeah. Okay. Abacus? Ruhi, this is abacus? Okay. You can measure like this. Okay. But through this, we could, okay, that's it. So by this, we cannot, measure exactly with the exact number. This is just a random estimation. It could be 1, 2, 3 handspan, but we want to know the exact measurement and how we can do that exact measurement. What we have to use. You can write in the chat box. How can we measure things? Write in the chat box how you can measure things. Exact measurement. Standard units. Okay, what is this?
Ruler.
Yeah, it's a ruler. All you have ruler? Just bring it fast. All of you bring your ruler. Very good. Govind, Ruhi. Ruhi, are you there? Yeah. Govind, where is your ruler? Okay, how many numbers are there? Can you see centimeter here? cm, centimeter on your ruler? Give me thumbs up if you are able to see centimeter. cm, cm, centimeter, cm at the end of the corner. At the bottom of 0, there is cm. No? No cm? Yes, she can show. Ishanvi has. I also have cm. Bottom 0.
Ma'am, scale is just broken, that's why.
Okay, I can understand. So how many total numbers are there?
15.
All you have 15 numbers in your ruler?
Yes, ma'am. 1, 5, 15.
Okay, I think Govind, you have bigger scale.
Yes.
What is the number in your ruler? What is the last number?
13.
30, right? 30. Because you have longer scale. Other have 15. Okay. So now you have to measure your pencil. Start with 0 and tell me what is the measurement of your pencil. Start with 0. Mine is more than 15 centimeter. You can write in the chat box the length of your pencil. Okay. Ishanvi has 8 centimeter. Krishna has 12.3 centimeter. It means your new pencil. Ruhi also has 13 centimeter. Okay, what about Mishika and Govind? Govind has 15 centimeter long pencil. Okay, Mishika has 9 centimeter. So we can measure things in centimeter. Okay, cm. Centimeter is called standard unit. So now it is clear how we can measure. Okay. If you have any doubt, just tell me immediately. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I did not understand. And if you cannot speak, if you feel shy, so you can write in the chat box. Ma'am, I have problem in this. Okay. I'm here to solve your queries. Okay, kids? Give me high five. Yay. Very good. Okay, so let's start with our session. Measurement of length. See, unit of length, we can measure our things by ruler, as we did. How do we measure length? Krishna, would you like to read?
Yes, ma'am. Why do we measure lengths? We measure the length of an object to calculate how long or short the object is.
Thank you. That's it.
Okay.
See, so why do we measure length? To check whether it is long and short. For example, you measure your pencil. So someone has 13 centimeter, someone has 15 centimeter, someone has 6 centimeter. So by measuring, we get to know how long and short our thing is. Okay. Next, units of length. Ishanvi, read.
Yes, ma'am. A unit of length refers to any
Arbitrarily
arbitrary chosen and accepted reference standard for measurement of length. In other words, we can say units of length are the words that describe length.
Yeah. In other words, unit of length means to describe length. Okay. The most common unit is meter unit. Okay. We did our measurement in centimeter. But do you know, apart from centimeter, we have other standard units also? Who will tell me? Just raise your hand. you measured your pencil in centimeter, cm. But apart from centimeter, we have other standards of unit. Who will tell me what are other units?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. The other are centimeters, kilometers, and millimeters.
Kilometers, millimeter. One
And
more is also
meter.
there. Who will tell me?
Meter.
Meter. Yeah. See, the smaller one is millimeter. Okay. After that millimeter, centimeter is little bit big. फिर after centimeter is meter. Meter is little bit bigger than centimeter. After meter, there is kilometer. Kilometer is the biggest one. For example, if you have a syrup in your spoon, so you will measure in millimeter, centimeter, meter, or kilometer. What do you think? Yes? No one?
Ma'am, in centimeters.
No. The smaller one is millimeter. Okay, I'll tell you what. You all have scale, right? So this is 1, 2, 3. Can you see the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are in centimeter. And between 1 and 2, there are some lines. For example, this is your ruler. And here is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? But between 0 and 1, there are some lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2. Have you seen this line? Yeah. These are millimeter. Okay. 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 7, 8, 9, and then 1 comes. Okay. Then 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter. So these smaller lines are millimeter. So how many millimeter are there in 1 centimeter? 10. How many millimeter we have? 10. Yeah. Okay. Between 1 and 2, we have 10 millimeters. Then between 2 and 3, we have 10 millimeters. Is that clear? Govind, what did I say? How many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter?
10.
Mishika, how many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter? 10. Good. So it is clear to you what is millimeter, what is centimeter. Millimeter smaller, centimeter little bit longer. After centimeter comes meter. Meter. We all wear clothes, right? So these clothes we measure in meter. Okay? Meter. After meter, there is kilometer. Kilometer, if we want to measure the road, like if I want to measure the distance between your home and school, so that distance we measure in kilometer. Because it is biggest, very long, we cannot use scale, we cannot use handspan, right? It is bigger, so that we measure in kilometer. Okay? Your clothes are not that much long, right? So we can measure in meter. Is it clear to you all? Can I ask you question? Okay. So my first question is for Ruhi. Ruhi,
Yes.
how many standard units are there?
Standard units. What's standard? In the 0 and 10 kilometer.
No, millimeter, centimeter, and if we want to measure our clothes, in which unit we have to measure? Come on. Okay, Krishna, would you like to help her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we use meter to measure our clothes.
Yeah. So how many standard of units are there? 4. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Repeat after me. All of you unmute yourself and repeat after me. Millimeter,
Millimeter,
centimeter,
centimeter,
meter,
meter,
kilometer.
kilometer.
Govind, why are you not speaking? Okay. Next question is for Govind. Govind, why do we measure things? Why do we measure things?
We will a certain.
Yeah. To know how much it is long and short. Okay. Mishika? Mishika,
Yes, ma'am.
how many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter?
10.
10. Good. Ishanvi, if you want to measure the distance between your home and school, so you will measure in millimeter, centimeter, meter, or kilometer.
Kilometer.
Well done. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, what is this? Who will tell me? Yes, yes, Ishanvi.
It's a meter. It's a meter rope.
Yeah, it's a meter rope, or we can say inch tape, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This we use to measure the meters.
Clothes. Right.
Yeah, for clothes. Okay. So now you know millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Now let's move to the next one. Mishika, kindly read what is millimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
millimeter is the smallest unit of length among the four. It is used to measure very small or very thin objects. The symbol for millimeter is millimeter.
Mm. Yeah, millimeter.
Example, the thickness of the mobile Samsung Galaxy A60 is only 7 mm.
7.7 millimeter. So it is very slim. Yeah, thank you. So millimeter we use to measure the very thin object. Okay, very thin. For that is less than 1 centimeter. For example, Samsung Galaxy. It is 7.7 millimeter. So it is very slim, very thin. Okay. And how can we, what is a short form of millimeter? It's mm. The short form of millimeter is mm. Okay. Next, Ishanvi, would you like to read the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Centimeter is a small unit of length. It is used to measure small objects. The symbol of centimeter is cm. Example, the length of sharpener is approximately 25 centimeter.
2.5.
2.5 centimeter.
Yeah. See, so centimeter we use to for smaller unit of length. And what is the short form of centimeter?
cm.
cm. Yeah. For example, if you measure your sharpener, like this sharpener is 2.5 centimeter. What is 0.5? Who will tell me what is 0.5? Yes, Krishna.
Ma'am, 0.5 means the point is separating the 2 and the 5, and the 5 means the 5 millimeters.
Exactly. For example, this is your scale, right? If my, like for example, if I said 1 handspan and less than 1, right? So this I can measure in points. Same goes for this. If my sharpener is 2 centimeter and little bit more 2, not complete 3, but between 3 and 2. Okay? So that we measure in point. Is it clear? Ruhi, what did I say? What is point? Do I need to repeat once again? Okay. For example, if I have a sharpener, okay, and when I measure it, it is not complete 2 or 3. It is between 2 and 3. 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, so that is between is point. Okay, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and 2.10. No, it's 3 centimeter. Okay, then 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. That 10 millimeters are point. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, who will read? Krishna? No, Govind. Govind, read meter.
Meter is a big unit of length. Is used to
Measure
large objects. Meter is also considered as the base unity metric system. SI.
the symbol of meter.
Symbol
M. The height of door is 2 meter. Thank you, Govind. Yeah. So meter we use to measure the big things. Okay, large object. For example, our door. Okay. So the door is 2 meter. After this class, you have homework. You have to measure your doors. Okay. And tell me in the next class that how much meter are they long. You all have that inch tapes, right? To measure the meter.
Yes, ma'am. I
So
have a very long one.
okay, great. So by that, with the help of your parents, you can measure your door and tell me in the next class. Okay. Kilometer. Ruhi, kindly read kilometer.
Kilometer is the biggest unit of length among the four. It is used to
Measure
long distances. The symbol for kilometer is km. EX point. The distance between Delhi and Kolkata is 1527 kilometers.
Yeah. So kilometers we use to measure the long distances. For example, distance between Delhi and Kolkata. We measure in 15 kilometer, 1527 kilometer. Is there any confusion regarding any measurement of length? Meter, millimeter, centimeter, kilometer. Any confusion? No? If you have confusion, thumbs up. If no confusion, thumbs down. Mishika, what are you
Yes, ma'am.
talking? To whom you are talking with? Listen to me, dear. Okay? Listen to me carefully. I'm teaching you maths, right? So listen to me. Okay, let's play a short game. A quick energizer. Okay? You have to do you have to bring that object with a shape that I will ask for. For example, if I say bring me something which is circular in shape, circle in shape. So you have to stand and show me something which are circular in shape. Yeah, for example, Mishika is showing me. Very good. Okay, Ruhi has ball. Mishika has, I don't know what is this. Krishna is showing me a bowl. Govind also has bowl. Ishanvi, where are you? Okay, cup. Good, good. Now bring me something which is square in shape. Go get up and let's see. Are you able to find something? Okay, Ishanvi has something in square. Okay, Ruhi, it is not square. This is rectangle. Okay, two sides are long and two sides are short. Okay, pencil box is in square in shape. Okay, Mishika. Govind, did you get anything? No? Okay. Ruhi, it's okay. Come back. Okay, now bring me something. Yeah, cushion. Cushion is square. Good. Now bring me something which is rectangular in shape. Rectangular? Yeah, mobile phone. Very good. Yeah, keyboard. Geometry box. Pouch. Copy. Well done. Okay. Now let's do little bit stretching. Stand up. Stand up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Go right side. Left side. Right side. Left side. Stand up. Hands up. Shake your hands. Do like this. Shake your hands. Ruhi, where are you? I won't be able to see you. Come and join us. Shake your hands, dear. Okay. Do so slowly, slowly, roly-poly. Faster. Faster. Backward. Backward. Stop. Sit.